Mr. Narongvit, a man whose life resonated with the rhythm of music and the vibrant energy of social gatherings, found himself captivated by a singular vista. The expanse of the lake, stretching out like a shimmering mirror beneath the sky, spoke to him of an idyllic sanctuary. This was not merely a plot of land, it was the canvas upon which his dream home, a haven of tranquility and celebration, would be painted. He envisioned a residence that seamlessly blended with its natural surroundings, a place where the boundaries between inside and outside blurred, and where the soul could find respite from the clamor of the world. The architects at WARchitect understood that the essence of this project lay not in grand architectural gestures, but in the meticulous orchestration of space and atmosphere. The panoramic view of the lake became the central motif, a constant reminder of the serenity Mr. Narongvit sought. The design evolved around this focal point, drawing inspiration from the concept of an amphitheater. This spatial arrangement ensured that every vantage point within the house offered an unobstructed connection to the breathtaking scenery. From the intimate confines of the bedroom, one could gaze through the central courtyard and living room, capturing the lake's tranquil beauty. Conversely, from the living room, the tiered green terraces, concealing the mundane side of a parking space, formed a verdant backdrop. The heart of the residence, a central courtyard, served as a nexus, connecting all the living spaces and bathing the interior in natural light. This verdant oasis allowed Mr. Narongvit to maintain a constant connection with nature, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. The enclosing design of the house, while maximizing the internal connection with nature, also provided a sense of privacy and seclusion, shielding the interior from the prying eyes of the outside world. This created a sanctuary where he could focus on his music, entertain friends, and simply be himself. The materials chosen for the Sleepless residence were a reflection of Mr. Narongvit's personal style, a blend of loft aesthetics and vintage European elegance. The architects drew inspiration from his previous home and the Chandelier Music Office, incorporating elements that spoke to his eclectic taste. Bricklook tiles, typically laid in a horizontal pattern, were reimagined and installed vertically, revealing the fluted rear side and creating a unique tactile and visual experience. This unconventional approach added a layer of sophistication to the rugged charm of the loft style. The master bedroom, positioned along the roadside, presented a challenge in terms of privacy and heat gain. To address this, the architects designed a distinctive facade using 1:6 ratio bricks, laid at a 45-degree angle. This unconventional arrangement created gaps that provided excellent ventilation and heat prevention, effectively regulating the interior temperature. The angled bricks also cast intriguing shadows, adding depth and texture to the facade, transforming it into a captivating architectural feature. Sleepless residence, born from a vision of tranquility and celebration, became a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It was a home that embraced its natural surroundings, providing a sanctuary for its owner while reflecting his unique personality and style. The amphitheater-inspired layout, the central courtyard, and the carefully selected materials all contributed to creating a space that was both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It was a place where Mr. Narongvit could find peace, inspiration, and the perfect setting for his social gatherings. Ultimately, the Sleepless residence was more than just a house. It was an embodiment of Mr. Narongvit's dreams, a place where he could live, work, and entertain surrounded by the beauty of nature. It was a testament to the collaborative spirit between the client and the architects, a harmonious blend of vision and expertise that resulted in a truly remarkable dwelling. And that's the Sleepless residence, a testament to how architecture can truly harmonize with nature and reflect the soul of its owner. From the breathtaking lake views to the ingenious use of materials, every detail was carefully considered to create a sanctuary of peace and celebration. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into a home where design transcends mere function and becomes a living, breathing work of art. If you've been inspired by this unique project, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more architectural explorations. Let us know in the comments what aspects of this design resonated with you the most. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring the spaces around you.